Dear student, good morning. Today's topic are Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. So Heisenberg uncertainty principle is mainly say it is not possible to measure simultaneously both the position and momentum or velocity of a microscope particle with absolute accuracy. It is the main feature of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Delta x multiplied by delta p, it is smaller and similar to h is divided by 4 pi, where delta x is equal to uncertainty in position, delta p is equal to uncertainty in momentum. So if delta x is small, position of particle measured accurately, delta p would be large. If delta p is small, the momentum of the particle is measured more accurately, so delta x would be large. If the position of particle measured accurately, there will be more error in the measurement of momentum. Conversely, if the momentum is measured more accurately, the position will not be accurate known. So P is equal to mb, so delta P is equal to m delta V. So delta x is multiplied by m delta V is equal to smaller or similar to h divided by 4 pi, or delta x delta V smaller or similar to h upon 4 pi. So the position and velocity of an object cannot be simultaneously known with accuracy. It is the main feature of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. For give this theory, they do an experiment by the microscope, and the incident photon come on the side. So original path of electron and expected path of electron would be not predictable. So they are given their principle, which is known as uncertainty principle. So the significance of uncertainty principle in our daily life: we cannot observe microscopic things without disturbing them. No instrument can observe the position of an electron without affecting its motion. Uncertainty principle is the fundamental limitation of nature. So this principle has no significance in our daily life. This is because we come across only large object, example object which we can observe with net without altering their motion. So in a daily life, the things are so large, so microscopic things we cannot analyze by our naked eyes. So in daily life, the significance rule is uncertainty principle is not used, but in a microscopic things, the Heisenberg uncertainty principle is used. In this topic, the numerical is based in NCERT book. Question is: the position of the electron is measured with an accuracy of plus minus 0.002 nanometer. Calculate the uncertainty in the momentum of the electron. If suppose the momentum of the electron is h divided by 4 pi m multiplied by 0.05 nanometer, is there any problem in defining this value? So delta x is equal to plus minus 0.002 nanometer, or 0.002 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Planck constant is equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power 30 minus 34 joule second. We know delta x into delta p is equal to h divided by 4 pi. So we modify the equation: delta p is equal to Planck constant divided by 4 pi into delta x. Put the value 6.626 into 10 to the power 34 kilogram meter square per second, the Planck constant value, and divided by 4, and put the value of pi 22 divided by 7. Delta x is equal to 0.002 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So it is come, the value of momentum is come 2.63 10 to the power minus 23 kilogram meter per second. So uncertainty in momentum is h 4 pi into m multiplied by 1 divided by 0.002 into 10 to the power minus 9. So it is equal to h 4 pi m multiplied by 5 into 10 to the power 11. So which is much larger than actual momentum. Example h 4 pi m 0.005 nanometer, therefore it cannot be defined. So student, this question is based on uncertainty principle. Mainly the theoretical portion are asked in this part. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot.